Have you struggled to explain TCM nutrition to your patients, or had a hard time remembering all the information from your master's or doctoral program? If you'd like to further incorporate TCM nutrition into your clinical practice, this video series is for you. Hi, I'm Lindsay Thompson, a graduate of the Oregon College of Oriental Medicine in Portland, Oregon, class of 2012. I have a small clinic in Walla Walla, Washington, and have been learning to incorporate TCM nutrition into my life since my high school years. I initially designed this series to explain entry-level TCM nutrition to our patients, but after tabling at a handful of symposiums, I kept getting feedback from practitioners that they didn't feel they had enough background to incorporate TCM nutrition with their patients. I teamed up with Blue Poppy to get the Ancient Roots Nutrition video series approved for CEUs, so that you can feel more confident creating simple, nutritional recommendations for your patients based on their pattern ID. Although these videos were originally developed for patients, I believe they can be very helpful for practitioners as well. First, they can help you digest how to talk to your patients about TCM nutrition. Second, they can serve as an excellent refresher on TCM Nutrition 101, which you can better absorb now that you're out of school and in your clinical practice. Third, they can help you reframe nutrition for each season of the year for both yourself and your patients. These videos are also perfect for having your patients watch to help them improve their understanding of acupuncture and TCM. This can be a great time saver in your clinic to get your patients up to speed on TCM nutrition without needing to repeat the same conversations over and over. After patients have watched the videos, you can start having more individualized conversations about what lifestyle and diet recommendations you have for them. And in turn, they'll be more invested in those recommendations. However you choose to approach the videos, they'll serve as an enjoyable way to get a few CEUs under your belt for the year. If you're interested in these videos for yourself or your patients, but don't have the need for credits, the series is also available for purchase on DVD through People's Herbs or as direct downloads through my website, thompsonacupuncture.org.